But first, to the alarming rise in the number of young people being diagnosed with bowel cancer and the search for answers as to why. Right here in the capital, important research is happening at King's College London, and as Sam Holder reports, it's the legacy of the late Dame Deborah James, or Bowel Babe as she was known, who died from the disease which may one day save the lives of others.
It's one of the easiest cancers to treat, but one of the hardest to catch. Deborah James's bowel cancer diagnosis came too late. The Bowel Babe inspired and informed millions about the risk that under 50s face. Nobody knows for certain why, but early onset bowel cancer rates are rising rapidly across the globe. They've gone up by more than 50% since the 1990s. £100 million has now been awarded to a major international research project into the disease, with a £5 million donation from the fund set up in Deborah's name.
We've been looking at projects that Deborah would be really passionate about. This project, it's there to research early onset bowel cancer, something that Deborah was really passionate about, and as a family we're really excited to get behind it.
We know that diet and a sedentary lifestyle can increase the risk of bowel cancer, too much red meat and a lack of fibre. This study will investigate whether there is anything else responsible for this massive rise in bowel cancer, whether it's exposure to something while in the womb, or chemicals in food and packaging, or if air pollution is playing a role. The research project, which King's College is part of, will develop ways to identify bowel cancer earlier and come up with tailored prevention plans. They'll do this, in part, with the help of a special group of volunteers, 100 identical twins.
They're matched for differences in genetic background, age and sex, and many environmental exposures. So this will really allow us to study the effects of a particular diet intervention.
More than 40,000 people are diagnosed with bowel cancer in the UK each year. In life, Deborah James was dedicated to making sure others learnt the symptoms. Now, 2 years after her death, she is helping to find a cure. Sam Holder, ITV News.
And the signs and symptoms of bowel cancer you should be looking out for are on our website. Just head over to itv.com/London.